Okay guys, this is the part 2. We finally reached the falls right there. My husband's still up there. Ticket. Asa ticket? Wala man kami binigyan ng ticket.
Doon mo sa Galimon?
Oo, sa may restaurant.
May interest ko dito.
Sige, okay lang.
30. Kaya lang, dalawa man?
Lalawa lang. We gotta pay 30 pesos each. May habal-habal dito later.
Meron po ma'am, 100 po.
Sige, kaya papuntang ano, ang tawag nun. Sa restaurant nila. Thank you.
Ano sa mga gano'n?
Negros, Bacolod.
Ano pong pangalan nyo ma'am?
Josie Garcia.
Lucy?
Josie.
Lucy? Ang alaga eh. Lucy Garcia. Garcia po ma'am?
Josie.
Migros.
There's the menu of the restaurant that I forgot to check it out. They're like, most of them are like $5, almost $6, $5. The falls right there. We're gonna swim there later. You can also rent cottages. I don't know how much. We're not gonna rent cottages. We're just gonna sit by the falls. It's beautiful. This is the tallest falls in Bohol. It's like 3 hours from Panglao, where we stay. Okay guys, see you later. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye!